Hey guys, this is RB the Garden Nanny. I am getting ready to plant up some seeds. These candy cane mix zinnias. They look so nice and I really want to do some zinnias this year. Like I say, seeds are probably the only thing I throw down at this point. And also this Van Gogh sunflower. So I'm just going to direct sow these in the ground. So I have this candy cane mix zinnia, Purple Prince zinnia, Oklahoma white zinnia, and the Silver Princess Shasta daisy. And wow, all of these are from Burpee. So I usually use this thing. I will put the seeds on, sprinkle them in the ground, and put a little dirt on top. So let me show you the area that I'm going to do this. I'm going to be doing this in lamb's ear row. I've already did some edging to widen this row. And I'm going to just sprinkle them here and there, no random order, but the edging was very necessary. The digging to fluff out the soil was very necessary for this process. I'm not going to do it in front of the roses, but I did make room for the roses by expanding the row. So yeah, this is lamb's ear row, and I will be putting some zinnias in here for the summer. As you can see from those 3 packages, it's not a lot of seeds, and that's okay. I'm just going to sprinkle them in where I want them, and what grows grows, and I'm sure it's going to be beautiful. It's going over in my head where I wanted to put things. I'm going to put the Shasta daisies right here in this spot. I'm not going to put anything in front of the lamb's ear. I'm going to put some zinnias here. And maybe the rest in here. And I'll put more Shasta daisies right along in here. I think that'll be pretty. So, this is how I'm going to do it. That is it for the zinnias. I'll go get the Shasta daisies. I'm going to put it over here. So, there we have it. The seeds have been sown. That was pretty quick. Now let me show you the Shasta daisies that I did indoors and brought outside. Look at this beauty. I love that, right under that red Japanese maple. But yeah, that is the size I like. There are some that are very, very tall. I had one over there in that area. I took that out because it was too tall and it was flopping all over the place. But this one I really, really like. And so I'm looking forward to having this over on this side. That will be pretty over there on those corners. And I think the zinnias coming up will be pretty as well. So packet of zinnias from Renee's garden, double cutting zinnia cabaret, and I am going to plant them as well. They're in my little scoop. So let's go find a spot for them. So I think, do I want to put my zinnias over here? I think so. I think I'll just put them in this little area right here. Just some more added color. Let me prepare the soil. Okay, I'm just going to sprinkle them over top. Now they're in there somewhere. And I'm looking forward to seeing how pretty they're going to be. And there's drip right here, so that will help. All right, I'm going to get off.